Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. So I was trying to play CSGO but I'm getting this error. VAC was unable to verify the game session for Superbyte. VAC was unable to verify your game session. Today in this video we'll be going to check out the latest update, what's really going on, is there any new update, what they are doing, when they will be going to fix the game, the schedule, the maintenance schedule, and all the exact timing when the servers will be back up and running. So without further ado, make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so first of all let me check right over here, is this a global problem or just a problem occurring to a specific group of people? And here you can see guys, we have got this one right over here. In fact, from many countries, many people are reporting. Check this out, 38 minutes ago, CSGO back down for update, back partially. I think CSGO WAC banned. I have tried to verify my game files but still keep saying unable to verify WAC when I queued for the match. So guys, don't worry, your game is not banned, your account is not banned, not hacked, anything of such kind. This is the thing going on into the CSGO. Let me show you the latest update. Why can I play CSGO but once I load up CS2 it says can't verify the WAC. I tried verifying the game files, restarted the PC. What I'm supposed to do? Check this out. Anything about WAC live? In fact, right over here you can see onto the down detector, Counter-Strike is facing some outage right over here. Currently there are 92 outage reports in a specific country. See, Counter-Strike is down in many countries. I can definitely report that at least half of the servers are down. So let's check it out. Is there any latest update by CSGO? And CSGO there is no official account, but let me see. Alright, so this is the CS2 Twitter official page and let's check it out. Do we got any latest update? Well, right over here we have got the September 20 tweet. Also we got the release notes for the update, for the recent update. So in fact we have got some latest update as of 15th of the September. They have got this recent update into the game. We have got this update as of 16th of the September, and these are some improvements to the map, sound, and many other fixes right over here. In fact we got update from 15th September, and since then, and apart from that, no recent update, no maintenance schedule, nothing is provided by official pages. As far as the latest details goes, this is the one we have. Many people are reporting. Once I get any latest update I'll keep you posted, but don't worry guys, game will be fixed soon. Once I get any latest details I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.